Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to find all product keys on your Windows computer. iSunshare Product Key Finder is a small utility that can find all product IDs and CD keys of Windows, Microsoft Office, Adobe etc. installed on your computer. To start the recovery, you need to download the product from iSunshare.com. Open the software and click the Start Recovery button. Soon, the product keys and IDs are shown. You can click the Save to File button to export product keys to a text file. Okay, now you can open the text file to have a check. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.